Good morning, student. MSc Fisheries and Limnology, and today's topic is Tor, Pituitora, or Mahshir. Mahshir is commonly known as the Golden Mahshir or Tor Pituitora. It is the fish of 2.74 meter length up to the maximum length and weight up to the 50 kg. It is animal of the chordata, class Actinopetridae, cypriniform, cyprinidae, and Tor pituitora. It's a zoological name. You can say it's a very beautiful fish, and due to its golden color, here you can see the beautiful golden color on whole body and especially on the caudal peduncle, and it is the very famous and very interesting game fish for the who used to bait for the sport fishing. And here you can see the terminal mouth and dorsal, ventral, anal, caudal fin and pectoral, pelvic, different type of fins are there, and it is a very important fish, and due to the migration and different damming pattern, it is extincting now. Roughly translate as a mahi fish and the shade tiger, hence it is also referred as a tiger. Due to its hunting ability and hunting practice, it is also known as the tiger fish, and it is the large cyprinidae and toughest among the freshwater sport fishes. Its body color is the golden due to its golden color, and fins are the reddish yellow. Fish is characterized by the large scale and thick powerful lips, relatively large barbels, sensory hair at the mouth, which generally breeds during the flood. Like all other the major carps and the cyprinidae, and it is also bred in the running water, and due to the damming and the different checkpoints, its migration and its running are very little bit while, so slowly this is disappearing from the major rivers and the lakes, and very few lakes and the rivers have the mahshir now. Sexual reproductivity is low, 6,000 to 10,000 eggs per kg as compared to the other fish. It is the also reason, that's why it is also reducing, because its fecundity rate is also low. An individual of population grows at average of the 10 centimeter annually. Growth rate is also slow as compared to the other major carps, and it is the omnivorous in feeding. This is the positive aspect or positive points. It's omnivorous like other the major carps, which are the very selective and feeds on the particular habitat, but it's a mahshir which can eat everything. During migration, fish of the all ages remain carni-omnivorous. Sometimes it is the carnivores also, but most of the major carps are the herbivores. So it can devour, it can eat all the available food in its surrounding, and it can thrive in that food. So it can use all type of the food in the habitat, present in the habitat or in the surrounding. Fish is the more than 46 centimeter size as the piscivorous. Mahshir breeding. Mahshir come from the word that is known as the mahasir. It is the Persian word, and the mahai means the fish and the sher means the lion, in recognition of the Gamnes, name given by the Thomas in 1873. In Hindi, Maha means great and Sir means head. Name given by the Lacy and the Cretin in 1905. And the Mahaswala means big scale. So here are the three terminology. One is the Persian, another is the Hindi, and third one is the common, that is known as the Mahaswala, that is big scale. Mahashir, national fish of the Pakistan, and Mahashir imported in the beautiful game fish in the South Asian continent, and these are the workers which worked on the Mahashir. It's a show, it is a very good sport fishing. Mahashir is the contested as the candidate in the mono as well as the composite culture. So we can grow as a single monosex culture as well as the composite sex culture. Its development, breeding and life history was studied by the Ogle in 2001. Mahashir species, it generally resides in the hilly area and descendant to the plain. Mahashir is common name used for the toad Neocetualus and Najid toad. It is the Cyprinidae family. Countries which is Mahashir is found in Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Thailand, Indonesia, China in Menon 1992. Mahashir is comprises of almost 25 species, and is Neochilus is 23 species and Naziri tor is 2 species respectively. Mahashir India, Tor pituitora hamilton, Tor hamilton, Tor mosel hamilton, Naziri tora Johobenis Mirza, and Tor Marcolepis is the Haeckel. Here is the classification of the Mahashir already discussed. Reproduction, it is the oviparous fish, both sexes are separate. It its reproduction system is gonad is consists of the germ cells, that is which is joined by the gonadal duct, and the germ cells leave the body. Male Mahashir has the testes also differential urine. Here is the male reproductive system and here is the female reproductive system. Sex identification was possible. Only the right female shows the fully bulged and the soft abdomen. In general practice, you can't differentiate the male and the female, but when the female is full of mature ova, then you can separate and clearly distinguish from the outside. And it's a soft abdomen with the slight swollen pinkish vent. When the abdomen is slightly pressed, the mature females and the male discharge egg and the milt. Milt is known as the sperm production. When it ooze out the spermatozoa, that is known as the milt. No sharp difference in the color in the two sexes. Spawning, two spawning season in a year, which cover the late March to early May and August to the October. Each individual mature female performs spawning in the 2 or more eggs is the interval of the 3 to 4 weeks in the spawning season and controlled by the captive conditions. And in the nesting habitat, the Tor Marcolepis is natural breeding grounds, also have the captive conditions. During the nesting, female clear the bottom for the deposit and freshly laid eggs. The activity round depression are formed at the bottom surface. So here you can also take the example in the Mahashir for nest construction and the breeding in bottom of the water body, where it forms the deep depression and lay the egg. Breeding in the toad, mature female usually yield a free flow of the ripe egg, and rows of the slight gentle pressure on the abdomen. Ripe egg look like a transparent yellowish orange color. Stripping is usually carried out by the shady place and the spawn is kept from the any contact with water. Milk is obtained spermatozoa or milk is obtained from the mature running males by the pressing their belly gently. Males are stripped several times. When you pressurize or put pressure on the belly, it oozes out the milk. That is known as the stripping process. Milk is stripped directly on the eggs. The eggs are mixed softly by a clean dry feather with the milk for 1 or 2 minutes. So when male oozes milk, it directly laid on the ripe egg and it is mixed for the 2 or 3 minutes. When spermatozoa directly enter into the eggs, mature eggs. Incubation in the mashi is then transferred into the hatcheries. Incubation tray. Eggs are under water hardening condition. Up taking water, it will cause almost double the size. It swells down and increase its size in double. Eggs are usually covered to protect egg from direct sunlight and it should be in the shady place. During the incubation, dead eggs are removed. Otherwise, it will contaminate the other mature healthy eggs. So, when the dead eggs are there, it should be immediately removed. They can destroy the whole stock of the tray. Continuous supply of the silt-free and the well-aerated fresh water in the incubation process. Here are the different developmental stage. At the 0 hour, when fertilize the egg, 10 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, 78 hours and the 84 hours. After the 3 hours of the hatching embryo, heart start pulsating, blood in the vessels visible, almost colorless, eyes are now almost fully developed, pectoral fin birds are there discernible. Average hatching period is 96 hours at the 26 degrees centigrade. Hatching, after 2 or 3 days of the fertilization, hatching will carried out. In the twisting motion, it can be seen in the transparency of the egg membrane. Manage to escape out the weak point of the membrane. From the weak point of the egg, the larva comes out and the fish embryo is now called the hatchling. Hatchling cannot swim freely, so it is has no well-defined fins. It contains the large yolk sac in the abdomen and 2 to 3 days after the absorption of the yolk sac, hatchling is now free and they can start swimming. After 7 to 10 days of the breeding, yolk sac is absorbed, complete yolk sac is absorbed. So up to the 7 to 10 days, they dependent on the yolk sac. Gill records are well formed and needs a fresh supply of the oxygen. Hygienicity and the oxygen level throughout the process is very necessary. And the age of the 2 weeks, they can swim up to 4 and they start taking the zooplankton. All the fishes, major of the fishes, whether they are the predatory, whether they are the herbivores, in starting period, when they are the just hatch out from the eggs, they prefer and they feed and they devour on the zooplanktons. Jumping fry after 2 to 3 weeks and the fingerlings after the 5 months, when the fish of size of finger is known as the fingerlings. Conservation issue. Species have suffered severe population decline in much distribution area, now considered threatened due to the pollution, habitat loss and the overfishing. The dearth of the information on the habitat, feeding and the breeding ecology of the species. Mahashir is a sensitive species, can be barely tolerate a modified water environment. It is evident the decrease in the size recorded over the last centuries where the size composition, the young and the immature individuals are reducing from 5 to 40 or 50% in the distribution. So it is a very alarming conditions. If condition will not improve, it will extinct someday. And out of the 47 species of the marshes that exist in the world, India is home of the 15. It is a very great number, but due to the various alarming condition and the pollution level increasing in the various water sources, it is reducing day by day. Thank you.